just remember that string basically has everything. Um, like this is a string, or how are you? My name is Ronnie, and I'm 12 years old. I'm not actually 12 years old. This is a string, alright? So now you need to learn how to create all those types of variables, data types. This will make a simple integer type variables where you can only store whole numbers. How do we store it? Weapon, you write the variable name, give an equals to sign, and then give a digit, I mean the variable, oh my god, the value, and then hit the semicolon. Semicolon basically means that the line has ended over there, and the compiler will switch to the next line. You've created a variable, you've assigned a value to the variable. Alright? Variable, value. Keep in mind, oh my god, remove, yeah. Keep in mind, if you want to assign something to a variable, the variable name should be on the left and the value should be on the right of the equals to sign. That means that this is completely wrong. This will not work. It will definitely give you an error. No questions asked. This was how you declared integers. What about the others? Let's say if I wanted to make a float variable, so we'll do a new float, semicolon, sorry, correction, colon, and then the name of the variable. There we have it. Why do I get a feeling I did something wrong? Yeah, there we go. I still get a feeling that I did wrong. Oops, 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 capital F. There we go. So now we have a float variable with the name weapon. So if I wanted to store a float, oh my god, caps lock, fuck my life. Weapon equals to 1.8. Now weapon has the value 1.8, but if I, let's say, remove this, then the weapon is actually an integer type right now. Alright? And this is a float variable. Oh my god, float value. 1.8 is a float value. What do I mean by float? It has a decimal point. But weapon is an integer type. So, what will it do? It will simply remove anything that is after the point. So even if it's 1.9 inside weapon, it'll be stored as 1 if it's an integer data type and you're trying to store a float value to it. Alright? So that's done with float and integer. Let's move on to char. Char. Okay, apparently it turns out that char is not there in SAM. So forget anything that I said about char. We'll just move on to string. Oh my god, why isn't it working? There we go. String. Char is basically char. String is an extended version of char in C or Java, but apparently in Python I could not find char. String is basically whatever you write. If you wanted to declare a string variable, this is how you do it. You put a new, like normal, like usual, you put a new, give a variable name like weapon name, and then in a third bracket you give in the limit of that variable, like 128. So there can be only 128 words slash letters slash special characters inside weapon name. For instance, if there was only 10, if the limit, if no, I should use a better term. Limit, no. You know what? Just let's keep it to limit. Weapon name equals to. If I type in over here, hello. Excuse me. Right now in weapon name, we have assigned the value hello. And yeah, that's it. But if I write something more, so yeah, if you're talking about string, here's the best part about string. The string only understands index. What is an index? The compiler or the program, it marks each of the digits. I'll just call these digits. This is one digit. I don't give a shit. Fuck off. Excuse me again. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5. So let's just say I want to check the length of this. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Yes. But what is the index of all of this? It's actually 5. You might be wondering, how the fuck is it 5, man? It's the like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are like 6 characters in it. How can it be 5? Why would the index be 5? Well, the computer understand it starts. The starting point is actually from 0, not from 1. So this is actually, there's a pointer, all right, that's linking this character to the address 0. All right, address of this is 0, and then E is 1, L 2, the other one L 3, O 4, and the exclamation mark is 5. You get it? This yeah, this is basically it about string and about variable. Oh no, I forgot about. I don't give a shit. Oh my god, change the color scheme to Windows Base. Just do it. I don't care. And my computer froze. Did it? Never mind. Okay. Next we have is Boolean. What is a Boolean? It's anything with the value only true and only false. It cannot have true and false. Only true or false. For instance, if you wanted to check if a player is inside a car, so it can only be either true or false. It cannot be true and false at the same time. No, we're not doing. I don't know what's it called. Schrodinger's law, I guess. So how do we declare a variable of Boolean type? What we do is we definitely do not do this. We do it like oh my god, fuck out of here. Yep, we do a new, like we usually do, given the data type bool, a colon, and then obviously the weapon, I mean the variable name, and there you have it. And if you want to assign a value to it, weapon equals to true or false. There you have it. That is all about variables. Let me just check if I forgot anything or not. I'm pretty sure I didn't. If you have any sort of a question or any problem, or if you think that I was going way too fast, maybe way too slow, or I'm just simply being stupid overall, if you liked it, hit like give me feedback in the comment section. Like it if you liked it. Do not hit the dislike button, please. I beg you. Oh my god, please. And just for the sake of it, let me do a beatbox routine, yo. I'm up, low, 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 go low. Yep, that's about it for today. Well, not for today. I might do another tutorial. And the next tutorial, I'll be talking about functions. Oh yeah, bitch.